Let's see if I can get Nuala on here too.
At the same time?
What do you think the chances of that are? I was just gonna go around the boat a couple times just to see if I could do it. No, Nuala, stay.
You wanted her.
Wasn't expecting her to get out so soon.
But if the payoff's right for you, you may want to back up a little bit. So you're going to have two heavy dogs in forward.
All right. Nuala, come. Oh no, no. That's not working.
Why don't we just switch?
All right, we'll just switch. Ooh. We switched.
You did.
I didn't go in.
No, you did not.
Woo.
One move at a time.
I showed a little lack of control with the dogs there. Sorry about that.
Watch out, she may try to jump too.
Stay well.
We leave the front 40 mooring field in Annapolis early in the morning and head north up the Chesapeake. It's a beautiful summer day, and we enjoy an easy sail while admiring the Bay Bridge.
Interesting the way these two bridges are so different, even though they're both suspension bridges.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see the anchoring?
Yeah.
We have an approximately 16 nautical mile sail starting in Annapolis, going under the Bay Bridge, and turning into Swan Creek just north of Rock Hall, Maryland. The Bay Bridge connects the east shore and the west shore of Maryland. We first go under the eastbound bridge, and then we go under the westbound bridge. Both of these bridges have a vertical clearance of 182 feet, so they're no problem for us to go under them.
Hey Steph, could you interview me? Would you put that in your hand and come up with the expectation of interviewing me?
Can't wait. Because we just passed under the Bay Bridge.
We did.
You can see the background.
We had a discussion as to, I thought it was very romanticized sailing to be able to sail under a bridge, under full sail, and just enjoy it. And Bah Humbug over here said, nah, it's just sailing.
Stop it.
We just passed under the Bay Bridge. It was a romantic passage. Sails were out, autopilot was on, it was quiet. We were able to slowly sail under the bridges. There's two of them. See all the light dance off of the bridge scaffolding early in the morning. It was quite romantic, I thought.
So where are we headed?
We are headed to Rock Hall, which I don't even know why it's called Rock Hall. It's on the eastern shore. We finally found the wind. We came out into the open Chesapeake, and we have about 2 more hours left to getting into Rock Hall on this heading.
It's a quaint little community.
It's got 2 different little fingerlings there, and we will anchor in the northern one. The town is really more off the southern one, and it's about a mile walk, so it'll be a nice little walk into the town.
You looking forward to some green space, Anubis? I think you're ready to run. You like those docks, but it'd be nice to run, huh? Oh, maybe.
After anchoring Labmariner in Swan Creek, we head to one of the many marinas to dock our dinghy.
Got the Bay Bridge.
We then take a quick walk around the town to stretch our legs. We particularly enjoy the murals of the dead rises.
Check out all those dead rises. Good girl, Nuala.
The real ones. Yeah, very appropriate. That's a lot of baskets.
62 of them.
Got it.
We head back to Labmariner, watching the sun go down in the background. You really have the most creative poses for sleeping, Nuala. I can't see how that would be comfortable. Oh, did I wake you, baby? All right, as promised, the first dog on the paddleboard is Mocha. So using your techniques, I'm going to take Mocha out on the board with me. So you ready, baby? So I'm going to put this on myself. If I can get it off, let me catch this.
Why do I have a feeling that there's going to be a mad rush for getting on the board with you?
I do like to kind of jump on. I've been trying to go slow because I'm just like poof. I like to pop on. So I'm gonna get on first. Position myself. And then for the dog, I'm gonna position it under the lip. There we go. I've got it positioned under the lip so it's nice and stable. And I'm pushing out here. And right if it flips up. There. That's under pretty deep in. There, I think that'll work. You ready, Mocha? Mocha. No!
Told you it was going to be a mad rush. Nuala, come. Nuala, come on. Nuala, I know you want on, but you're not going to. Nuala, come. Touch. Good girl.
Come on, Mocha. You get to come with me again. I know we had so much fun. You ready? Here we go. Sit. Good boy, down. Good boy. But just a little.
Excellent move.
Using your tail. All right. Feel bad pulling his tail. All right, I think I'm ready. You ready? And we are off. Good boy, Mocha.
Somebody's quite jealous. Look who's jealous.
I know, it's like I'm teasing the other pups.
They're so mad.
I'm very jealous. He's doing great, he's not even moving. Look at him around. Showing out for the other dogs.
Where are you going now?
I'm gonna go check out that boat with the osprey.
Oh.
That was cool.
First, I paddle over to the duck blind. Ducks, geese, and other migratory birds find the fields around Rock Hall to be a perfect stopping point on their trek south, so duck hunting is very popular here. Then I paddle over to a seemingly abandoned monohull. 3 and 1 flying around. Wow. That's super cool. A pair of osprey have made a large nest on the back of the boat, and a juvenile stands watch on the boom. And that juvenile certainly lets me know that I'm not welcome when I come near the boat. And the second dog I take out on the paddleboard is Nuala.
There you go.
Sit, Nuala.
She knows.
All right. No two dogs. Just a switch and almost a call.
Going for a long ride with her or just around the boat?
Just around the boat a couple times. I was hoping to get 2 on, but I'm not quite that gifted.
Your third try for the dogs, and now you're up to 3. You want all 3 of them on?
No. Anubis is jealous.
She's relaxed.
She's good. Even more relaxed than Mocha was. She's a good girl.
And the final dog of the day on the paddleboard is Anubis.
Good girl. Come on, Anubis. Stay, Anubis. Stay, Anubis. Good girl, Anubis. Good girl. Anubis, stay. Anubis, stay. Anubis, stay. Stay, Anubis. Okay, ready? Ready to get up? Go on, Anubis. Good girl.
How was it, Anubis? How was it? Was it as fun as mine? That's what she's saying.
I'm exhausted.
She needed to add well, I'm sure you are. It's a lot of mental exhaustion trying to do all that.
All 3 dogs. I'm exhausted.
Mocha's ready to go again.
I know he is. That took a lot of mental stamina. I had the worst time getting in. I don't know why.
You did fine.
Well, you're the kayaker. I'm not as much into paddle sports as you are. So
Just draw toward the direction you want to go.
yes,
In all cases.
got it. All right. Successful. 3 dogs on the paddleboard, and none of us went in.
Exactly.
I fell down once, but fish tacos. So what'd you think of Rock Hall?
Easygoing, relaxing, very nice people. They have a West Marine. 2 thumbs up for that.
Because it's a West Mariner, 2 thumbs up for the actual West Mariner.
No, because they have a West Marine. I would suggest people come here, definitely.
So who's your favorite today?
That would be Mocha,
Why Mocha?
because he's been the one listening to me,
The girls haven't been listening to you.
hanging out with me.
He always hangs out with you. The girls hang out with you. We're ducks. Ask me anything.
What did Mocha like most about Rock Hall?
Mocha always likes all the sniffing. There's always a lot of sniffs around here. There's a lot of grass, so that means that there's a lot of things for Mocha to sniff. Mocha also enjoyed the paddleboarding, since I took him out on the paddleboard and you did not.
Okay. Oh, it sounds like he wants to go back to the paddleboard, don't you, Mocha? Yeah, you heard your voice? Yeah, you heard it? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Yeah? You want that too? Paddleboard?
Only with me.
Good boy.
Do you have any other questions?
What did Nuala like best about Rock Hall?
She couldn't run. That's always her favorite thing to do, is run off leash. She likes smells too. I would say paddleboarding with you. I took her out for a short period of time, but you took her out for quite a while on the paddleboard. She was on the paddleboard for a good, probably hour with you.
And then finally, what did Anubis
like about Rock
like?
Hall.
Anubis liked the ducklings.
Anubis was crazy about those ducklings. I thought we were gonna lose her. Come in. Got little holes where they can get out if they're too small. That's the main entrance. 4 of them.
We enjoy a beautiful sunset on our last night at Rock Hall.